Hello, this video is for Flowchart Master. In this video, we will learn how to create and update flowchart. This is a dummy account where user has only access of read. So in this account, you cannot add or update flowchart, but yes, you can see what are the available flowcharts or process ID. Now, for example, we will select this process ID. No, this is a process ID, this process name, and here is a flowchart link. So since this user has only access of read, so this user can see flowchart by clicking on this link, or he can see the suggestions that inputted in the flowchart, or here the closure form design. These are the only things that a user with read access can see. Now we will see the user if the user have the access of write and delete. So we'll write with another account. So this is user with full access of read and write. So in this flowchart form, master form, here are the process ID that has already been created. If you want to create a new process ID or add a new flowchart, you have to click this plus icon. Here is a validation that if you have already selected any process ID or flowchart, then you will get to see the steps added against it. But if you want to add any new process or flowchart ID, then you have to click this icon. Now this is disabled because you have already selected any process ID. To make it enable, here is a message that cancel selected process ID to insert new flowchart ID. So we will cancel this first. Now we click here to insert new process ID. Now here you have to insert a new process ID. Here you have to write the process name, and this is the link where you can put any link. Since this is an invalid link, so this is putting an error. We will add a new link here. So now this is a valid link, and after inserting this link I can create a flowchart. Now we have successfully created a new flowchart of process ID. Now we can see here if our yes, here is our new created process ID or process name. This is a process ID, but now there is no steps added against this, so we are getting this pop-up of no steps found. Now if we want to edit this process name or process ID or this process link, so we have to click this edit or delete button to delete. We'll first see how to edit this flowchart. First we'll click on edit button, then here you can change this name of process ID against this or process name. You can even change the link over here. Now click on this update button to update. Now your process ID details has been updated successfully. Now let's check. Here we can see that this process ID name, process ID and its process name is updated. So you have seen the process how to update, how to add, and let's check how to delete any process ID. If you want to delete any process ID or edit, this is the first you have to select any process ID. The process ID that we have created just now, let's for example this. Now if we want to delete it, then we have to click on this delete button. This first ask your confirmation for delete. If you want to cancel, you can click here cancel, and if you want to proceed, then you have to click on yes delete button. Now you have successfully deleted your flowchart.